It's showtime.
Okay, everybody, have a great show.
Stand by.
Adriana, the goddess from Miami, standing by.
Hey, hey.
And
Hey,
go,
girls.
go.
Hey, hey. Hey, girls. What's your name? Baby, what's your number? Girl, you got me. Got a brother wondering if you wanna hold me in the lover. I could be your friend till the end. Gossip, I'm going crazy. Gossip, I wanna know if I can love you. Gossip, now won't you be my lady? Gossip, so got down. I said yeah. Oh baby, yeah, yeah, yeah. I said yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Asha and Adriana Lima.
Getting ready to do the Victoria's Secret fashion show, and we're just waiting to start and walk in the runway. And oh my god, I can't wait.
Neon 2, 1 and 2, go. Cue Adriana.
And she's there on 6. Okay, we're in the ballpark.
last model, that's Adriana. Shoot Adriana! Caroline's out, camera.
To go.
To be in a Victoria's Secret fashion show, it's a dream. Since I never thought I was beautiful, I always thought I was too skinny. I say, me being a model? I don't think so. The best thing about being a model is that I can give my family everything they could never have. To see them happy, I'm happy. 10 years, I don't know. I wanted to be here as long as I can. I hope
Take my hand and come with me because you look so fine that I really want to make you mine.
Stand by, last model.